We're going to have a go at making some lamb biltong. Ooh, lovely. Okay. It's beautiful. Please, I'm going to see what we can get out of it. Okay. And the cats can smell it. I'm not going to do a proper bone job, I'm just going to only want the decent stuff from it. Okay. I'll clean the leg up afterwards. Oh, here comes another one. Smell it a mile away. That's all I want. That's the piece I want. Okay, any gristle? No. So we'll sort that out in a bit. So the pieces I want to try and cut are nice steaks. And I'm going to dry it on the dryer in the kitchen. I have got a Biltong dryer, a box that I made in previous videos. I'll put a link in the description down below. Look at that. You're probably going to get about 3 steaks. Oh, wow, beautiful. I don't know if the shin will actually tenderize, it might do, I don't know. I'll take some of this fat off as well, we don't want that. Not because I'm opposed to fat, it's just because it doesn't, it'll probably go a bit rancid. Okay, I'll clean these up. Okay, trimmed any excess fat off. Looking pretty good actually. I'm not too sure how the shins are going to fare because that's quite a tough meat. But apart from that, these pieces will do alright. That'll do. That'll be lovely as well. I might do the rest of the shin, but there you go. So right, I'm going to start getting the mix ready. Come back to you in a sec. I'm going to use glass dish. Going to get some herbs and spices and some vinegar. And I know it sounds a bit weird, but we got some vinegar left over, some pickled onions I made. So I'm going to use that as well. And add a little bit of demerara sugar. That's it. I'm going to add a few chili flakes. Just a few allspice. A little bit of pepper. Himalayan salt. And this is one of my all-time favourites, which I have with a lot of stuff, and this is herbs Provence. So I'll give this a bash in. And I'll get back to you in a sec. Oh, the smell. Beautiful. There you go. Oof. Okay, so we're going to put the meat in this and make sure they're covered. Every bit has a... Make sure it's covered. There's some big pieces of meat in here. I might have to have a bigger dish. I don't know about that piece, we'll have a think about that one. I don't think I've done lamb before, lamb biltong. So I try and make sure all the meat is coated in the sugar and the mixes and the spices, and I've done lots of biltong ones. I love biltong. Right, okay, let's get this. Looks like it's pretty good. There we go, line them all up nice. Make sure they're tidy. Can I get that piece in? You know, so I'm going to give that a go. I think there's enough spices left over we can... Okay. Okay, and I'm going to add something next that I do like, and this is garlic granules, not garlic salt, garlic granules. I'm going to put the vinegar on top, and here there's allspice as well, and there was what do you call it, mustard seeds. There was a lot, so just make sure they're all covered and coated. Oh, that's a big piece. Let's get him open. All right, that's it. I was going to put a bit of foil on the top, I think. We will leave this in the fridge. You could do it overnight, or I'll probably do it till this evening. Yeah, like 6 o'clock, and then that gives it 9 hours, and then I'll put it in the dryer. Okay, Biltong's been on the fridge overnight, so we're just going to pat it dry. Just going to put on some paper. Quite a lot of it, didn't realise there was that. Look at that chunky monkey. That's a good one. I might trim these up a little. Look at that. Look at that. Woohoo! Beautiful. Right. There's a lot of juice in these. Alright. Seems a waste to throw that away, but there you go. Just going to pat them dry. Like so. Can I beat a good cuppa in the morning? Love a cup of tea in the morning. Right, let's go and set this timer. Okay, so I put it for 6 hours. Temperature, I'm going to set 50 Celsius. And that's it, really. I'll take one off and we'll start packing it. Put it all on one. Oops, sorry, cat. Brilliant bit of kit, absolutely brilliant. And if it's not ready in 6 hours, we'll just put it on a bit longer. That's all you have to do. Very, very simple. I've got a proper, not a proper one, a homemade dryer. I'll put the link in that video, in this video, to that video. It's just how to make your own biltong. All right. Okay. That's it really for now. Okay, pop the lid on. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, it's going to turn out, it's going to dry. It's just showing you how.